Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this hair scrunchie. For this project I'm using cotton yarn. This is our number 1 super fine yarn. So this is quite thin. And I'll be using a 4mm hook. You also need a pair of scissors, yarn needle, a hair tie, and stitch markers are always useful. To begin the project, we're going to start by making a slip knot. Insert the hook. And we're going to make a chain of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So go ahead and make a chain of 36 or a multiple of 4. Once we have the chain made, and we are going to bring the chain through the hair tie and make sure your chain is not twisted because we're going to join the round by slip stitch into the last chain. And I always like to carry the tail with me. Pull through and pull through. One chain. In the same chain, we're going to place a single crochet. Skip the next chain. In the next chain, 3 double crochet. So skip 1, 3 double crochet. That's 1. 2. 3. Then skip the next chain. In the next chain, single crochet. Skip the next one. In the next one, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, single crochet. And this is a repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way around. To begin round 2, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch. And that's the first single crochet. 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chains. And this counts as a double crochet stitch. And we're going to place a marker into the top of the 3rd chain. And place another 1 chain. So total we have 4 chains here. In the same stitch, we're going to place a double crochet. Then we're going to skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1, double crochet. 1 chain. And another double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1, double crochet. One chain and another double crochet into the same stitch. And this is a repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way around and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 3, we're going to join the round by slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain. And then in the 1 chain space here, we're going to place a single crochet. Place a marker in the stitch. We're going to skip the next stitch. In the next stitch, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1. In the 1 chain space here, single crochet, skip 1, 3 double crochet. So 1, 3 is a repeat of 1, 1. 2 and 3. Skip 1, single crochet. Then repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you on the next round. Alright, to begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Place a marker into the top of the 3rd chain, and 1 more chain, total 4 chains, and place a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet. So round 4 is a repeat of round 2. From here, repeat round 2 and round 3 for as many times as needed. To check to see if you are crocheting enough rounds, it needs to come into a full circle like this. And the other way to check is grab hold onto the opening and pull. You can see it still comes into a full circle. It means you're in a very good position. If you like, you can crochet more rounds, or you can stop here. And I will stop here. After we join the round, you need to do 1 chain. And I'm going to cut yarn. Make sure to leave a long tail for stitching. It doesn't matter how you stitch this as long as the opening is closed. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!